Now today let's start with chapter number 14, communication in India. What is communication? What we do when we exchange our ideas, thoughts and expression between different people, it is known as communication. We have two different types of communication, personal and mass communication. So from pigeon to postman and newsman to RJ, hence SMS, from World Wide Web, means of communication has been developed. पहले पिजन के थ्रू भेजा जाता था, फिर पोस्टमैन, अब तो लोग क्या करने लगे, वर्ल्ड वाइड वेब, इंटरनेट के थ्रू क्या करने लगे, मैसेजेस अपने शेयर करने लगे. So what is communication? We all share our thoughts, feelings with one another, and we also like conversing and listening to our friends and family. This is known as communication. To satisfy this need, men invented various forms of personal and mass means communication. So some of them are postal service, magazine, newspaper, radio, television and internet. So what is communication? They are of two types, personal means of communication or mass means of communication. Exchange of messages from and information between two individual or organization, जिसको हम क्या कहते हैं, personal communication. So the postal system and the telephone network, email or fax are some personal means of communication. So transmitting message and information to many people or masses that at the same time is called mass communication. Like we have radio, television, newspaper, magazine and films. They are the important means of communication. So we can say that they have different types of voices and they understand means of voice of the species. Humans have also developed dialect जिससे वो communicate करते हैं. हम बातें कर रहे हैं, ठीक है, दूसरों के साथ, तो हम एक dialect का use करते हैं. इसको क्या कहा जाता है? Modes of communication. Now let's study about the different modes of communication. First is postal service. Indian Postal Network is the largest in the world postal service and are the offices of government postal system at which mail is received and sorted, from which it is dispatched and distributed. So we can say that the Indian postal services are excellent compared to other countries. Letters are delivered to their respective destination. ठीक है, हमेशा जो letters हैं उनको भेजा जाता है, deliver करा जाता है उनके respective destination पे, and registration and registered mail is necessary only if you have intent to send values. So Indian Postal Service, they also offer air mail service to Europe, Australia and Africa, which take almost a week. All major towns have been developed for the speed post facilities. Almost all times have courier service. If anyone is going to write to you and tell the person to write or his or name and address in big bold capital letter, then what you can do, it can be read as easy. The addressee name and other contact details have been given. So in big cities, post office provide quick mail service. इसे हम QMS कहते हैं. The private companies, जिनको हम क्या कहते हैं, courier, also offer postal services in India. Now we have fax. So fax services are the method or device for transmitting document, drawing photographs or like by telephone, radio for exact reproduction as well. They are available all around the country. All telegraph offices in cities have the facilities. इनके पास facilities हैं कि हम receive कर सकते हैं fax को, and they are open 24 hours a day. Then we have telephone, or phone is telecommunication device which is used to transmit and receive sound across the distance. India has a highly developed network of airlines. Almost on every road in India has one phone booth which offers public call. जैसे आप STD कॉल करना चाहते हैं, ISD कॉल करना चाहते हैं, आप कर सकते हैं. So followed by the code of the country you are calling, followed by the area code, then local number. Another option is to buy a cellular phone, also known as mobile phone or cell phone. Next we have means of mass communication. We have different means of mass communication, like we have radio and television. So we can say that news entertainment programs are broadcasted on radio, television. Radio can be used only for broadcasting the audio information, whereas television can broadcast both audio and video communication. So we watch various programs and films on television, and we also watch cartoon films on television. And we can say that there are over 180 TV stations all over the country. So we can say that internet. In modern age, internet is very cheap and reliable means of not only more communication but also useful for employment and education. Internet has brought the whole world to very small workplace. We can surf on internet for any information. Search engine helps us to search that required information with no time. So we can say that email can be used to send small or bulk information to a person sitting in any part of the वर्ल्ड. कोई से पार्ट में बैठा हो आप इजीली क्या कर सकते हो, इन्फॉर्मेशन को शेयर कर सकते हो. देन वी हैव न्यूज़पेपर एंड मैगजीन विच इज यूज्ड टू कैरी न्यूज ऑफ ऑल दैट इज हैपनिंग. मतलब आपके पूरे वर्ल्ड में क्या हो रहा है वो आपको बताता है. इट इज प्रिंटेड इन डिफरेंट लैंग्वेजेस and it is the cheapest and the largest means of communication, which is very effective to spread news to large number of people, right? So we have completed this chapter. Hope you understood. Now let's meet in the next class. Thank you.